In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Intensified efforts by the national health authorities to eradicate polio throughout the country. The discovery of hundreds of weapons in Herat over the past 6 months by the security forces. An Yemeni who sees warns of potential closures of Bab al-Mandab Street. Welcome to the news package. It's Sunday, the 2nd of Zulqa'dat al-Haram, 1447, the 30th of Amal, 1405, and the 19th of April, 2026. The news details. Maulvi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, stated during coordination and capacity building meeting with provincial officials that serious and sustained efforts are required to completely eradicate polio in the country. He further noted that Afghanistan and Pakistan remain the only countries where positive cases of polio are still being reported. Emphasizing the preventive measures, Maulvi Jalali called on public to cooperate fully in order to eliminate the disease entirely from Afghanistan. The Minister of Interior has announced that counter-terrorism police forces under Herat Provincial Police Command have discovered and confiscated hundreds of weapons during multiple operations carried out over the past 6 months. Based on the Ministry's statement, the seized arms include Kalashnikov rifles and handguns. The operations were conducted as a part of ongoing efforts to ensure security and combat illegal activities. The news continuation. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, has reported that nearly 900 Rohingya migrants either died or went missing in the waters of the Andaman Sea and the Bay of Bengal in 2025, making it the deadliest year on the record in the region. The agency added that approximately 5,000 Rohingya have lost their lives over the past decade while attempting dangerous sea journeys. Babar Baluch, the spokesperson for the UNHCR, described the route as an unmarked graveyard for thousands of desperate migrants. Since 2012, around 200,000 Rohingya have embarked on perilous sea voyages to escape persecution in Myanmar. And ultimately, Hussein al-Izzi, a senior official of Yemen's Houthis movement, has warned that Bab al-Mandab Strait could be closed if President of the United States continues to obstruct peace efforts. In a post on X, he stated if Sana'a decides to close Bab al-Mandab, all humans and even jinns will be utterly incapable of reopening it. He urged President Donald Trump and other involved parties to immediately cease all actions and policies that hinder peace. It's noteworthy that Bab al-Mandab Strait is a vital maritime corridor for international trade, particularly for transit of crude oil and other fuels. It connects the Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden, serves as a key route for the global commercial shipping. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.